Hey guys, we're the Jeters, and welcome to the Jeter channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to take you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to make your own hand sanitizer. I know it's been difficult for us to find hand sanitizer out in stores as it's become a hot commodity. So today we're going to be using our 91% isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel. Both are household items that most of us keep in our house, but I do also know that right now they're also hot commodities in stores and are becoming more and more difficult to find. I also want to state that hand sanitizer is not to be in place of washing your hands. As the CDC recommends, 20 to 30 seconds, you're supposed to be washing your hands. Hand sanitizer is meant to be used as a secondary precaution. I'm going to show you everything that I have here and take you through this quick and easy hand sanitizer DIY. All right, so again, I have the 91% isopropyl alcohol. I have the aloe vera gel. I also have essential oils here. I have lavender and peppermint. So I'll probably use the lavender, but the lavender is just to give it a little bit of an extra scent, smell good. I have 2 containers here, and then I have a spray container. I have my bowl, which I'm gonna mix it all in, my whisk, and then I have this here measuring cup so that I can pour it into the 3-ounce containers here. And I also have my measuring cup. So it's a 2/3 cup, but it also has the 1/3 option in here. Instead of using 2 different measuring cups, I can just use the one. But if you don't have the options, you can use a 1/3 measuring cup and a 2/3 measuring cup. I will link in the description below the actual recipe that I'm using. It's gonna be 2/3 alcohol and 1/3 aloe. So I'm adding in the aloe vera gel as a base component to the mixture because what it's gonna add to the recipe is a moisturizing effect, because you can use straight alcohol if you wanna spray it on something and you wanna get feel the extra burn, that's great and all. But what can happen is it can cause your hands to start cracking. You can start having reaction, drying them out, and all that's gonna do is make it worse. Easier for bacteria to grow on your hands. So in a normal bottle of sanitizer, the alcohol content is about 62%. The recommendation is to use anywhere from 60 to 99% alcohol. The recipe that I'm using is 91 to 99%, but I have 91% isopropyl alcohol here. And then I'm also using the lavender for the scent. But before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, turn on those notifications so that you get notified every time we post, and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's jump right in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this alcohol. Woo! And I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 2/3 and pour that into my bowl. And then go with 1/3 of a cup of aloe. Also, if you want it a little bit, if it's too liquidy, you can always add more aloe to give it a little bit more of a thicker consistency. Mix it in real well. You can see it kind of gelling up there, mixing together. And what you can do at this point is take your essential oil and do about 10 droplets. Yes, I counted 10 there. Give it a nice Good stir, make sure it's all mixed together real well. I'm gonna pour it into my cylinder here. I'm actually gonna give it another good stir in this container before I pour it in. It does look a little thin, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see how it is before I start adding anything extra to it. All right, there it is. There's my 1 container of hand sanitizer. Looks like it might be a little thin, but you can just do some droplets on your hand. Take it, you're gonna rub it in. The key to hand sanitizer is to actually rub it in until it dries. A lot of people will just put it on their hands and leave it wet, but the key to actually killing all the germs is to rub it into your hands, because that's gonna allow the alcohol to set into your skin and actually kill the germs that are on your hands. So you can see my hands are dry. So that is a quick and easy tutorial on how to make hand sanitizer. It actually is at a good consistency, even though it looks a little liquidy. It is a good consistency. You can take a Sharpie or make your own little labels and put it on your container, just to make sure that you know exactly what is in this specific container. All right, so now I have this little guy here. This is gonna be for my spray. I'm gonna be careful here and pour this in. You can also use a funnel if you'd like, but this is what I had in my house. And so this is what I'm using. A little cap off here. Nice little easy spray. Spray it on my hands, rub it in. Nice, quick and easy. You have your homemade hand sanitizer. Again, this is your own DIY, easy to make hand sanitizer at home, but this is not to replace hand washing. Proper hand washing hygiene is so important right now with everything that's going on with COVID-19 and just really in general. Everybody should be washing their hands and using hand sanitizer, especially if you're not able to wash your hands at that moment. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and learning how to make your own hand sanitizer. Let me know down in the comments if you're gonna try this at home or if you have any other suggestions on how you make hand sanitizer. I think adding in the lavender to the hand sanitizer gives it a good smell, so it doesn't smell like straight aloe vera and alcohol. So that would be my recommendation. Let me know down in the comments what essential oil you're gonna be putting into yours. I have similar items linked down in the description below so that you can make your own hand sanitizer at home. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you get notified every single time that we post. And we will see you guys next time.